Australia has welcomed in 2014 with a spectacular fireworks display in Sydney. It's estimated 1.5 million people lined the harbour for the annual New Year extravaganza. Fireworks were ignited on the harbour bridge, a whopping 7 tonnes of them, as well as at different locations around the city. For the first time in a decade, they were even set off from the sails of the Sydney Opera House, creating a 12-minute long show coordinated with lighting and music. The fireworks were specially designed not to damage the building, which celebrated its 40th anniversary in 2013. As many as 1 billion people around the world also tuned in for the event, which organisers say cost $6.8 million Australian dollars.